All right, folks, we are going to set a toilet. Now we're doing everything except for the water supply line itself because, well, I don't have one today. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to cut off this old, it's not old, it's brand new, but we're going to cut off this stop here. We've got a plug here, and that is for water testing purposes, and we're going to cut it off and install this here. This is a shut off or a angle stop, and this is a quarter turn, which is awesome. So a quarter turn angle stop. Did you see that? Can you see that good? Huh? All right. You don't need this. This is a compression fitting, and we don't use those. Let's see. All right, good deal. Okay, so this will go here, boom, like so. So we are using the Milwaukee PEX crimping tool. This crimps PEX together. All right, hang on, folks. All right, here we go. All right, so you've seen about how much I cut off there. I left a little bit poking out, and that is just in case someone has to replace this angle stop. At some point in time, they'll still have plenty to work with. Thinking ahead. They'll still have plenty to work with here. All right, this is a crimping ring, a 1/2 inch crimp ring. We slide this over the pipe and crimp it together. All right, my cut is just a little crooked. It fits on there just a little bit snug, not too snug, and then slide this on. All right, so we want the threaded part of that angle stop facing up. All right, come on over, folks. Come on over. All right, let's see. How are we looking? Can you see that okay? Oh, yeah. So, all right, you're going to get a good look at it. So, you see how long that is? It stops right there. So it kind of gives you an idea of where you want this ring. You want this ring to grab really good on there, like so. You don't want it here. You don't want it here. You want it at least right here. So I like putting them about here. You want it to be able to grab and hold really good to prevent any leaks or from this blowing off and all of that good business. What? All right, let's see. Now, it's a little tricky sometimes. I push this all the way. You got to make sure that's pushed all of the way. And then I bring it right where it's just showing a little blue right here on this side of the ring. So this side of the ring, I want to make sure I still see some blue. Just not too much. I don't want it here. I don't want it here. That's not what I want. That's going to scare me. I'm going to be nervous and lose sleep over that one, so I want it here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to, so you can take these, see how it does, see how it opens? with the push of my thumb. Now, watch. This is the trigger here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have it like this, like so. Can you see all that? Have it like this. And so I can do my finger trigger, and I got this holding this. I'm going to bring it around. I'm going to make sure this is exactly where I want it. Oh, we don't want to lose no sleep tonight. And we are going to, now this will move. Once I get my crimping tool on there, that ring will move. So what I do is I put my finger right here, just until I get it there. Boom, done. Yep, all right, and so on this, we'll put a remodel scutcheon on here. It's split and it'll fit right over that. Let's back you up where you belong. All right, so 6 minutes of using the crimping tool, folks. See, I'm good for something. I'm not totally useless. All right, let's see. Let's try to fix you up here.